Can you believe no one wanted to come to the park on this beautiful day but us, huh, Jamie?
Yeah. But those cars are not.
Right?
They're going to the house.
No cars in sight.
Ready?
Yeah, I'm ready, bro. It's a little wet. Oh yeah, we brought walkie talkies. I got an orange one. Oh yeah. Mine's blue. Jamie's is orange. So we're playing walkie talkies. And cooking.
Cars are not coming.
Nope. Because it's raining.
But
It's okay, yeah, we're still having fun, huh?
I can kick it down all the way down there. But I don't want to kick it all the way down there.
You want to put your monster truck down so you can kick better?
Ready? Hang on.
Hold on. I'm back. Come on, bring it. Let's go. Let's go in here. Put it down. You don't have to get it all wet. I'll get it. What? Put it down. I'll kick it in there.
Where?
In here. Oh, the truck. I meant the ball, but okay. Look at this cool area. You want to go into the big one, or let's go into the big one. Let's see if we can kick the ball real far. What do you think? What if I go to one fence and you go to the other and we try to talk to each other on our walkie-talkies? You want to try that? You want Daddy to go all the way down to the far end? Okay.
No, you can go right there.
I'm going to leave our monster truck right here, okay?
I'm going down here.
You going to go down there? Oh, hold on, you forgot your walkie-talkie. Yeah, leave the ball. All right, you go down that way. I'm going to make sure mine's on, okay? Are you on channel 3, sir? Yeah. Okay.
Dad, can you hear me?
I sure can. Over.
Going all the way over.
Okay, over. What you doing? Did you make it over there? Over.
I did.
Make sure you hold the button all the way in when you talk, okay? Over. Jameson.
Love you, Dad.
Love you too. Can you hear me? He said yelp, but not through the thing. Okay, look. We're going to be on the lookout for some tennis balls. We're in the tennis court. Our goal is to try to find a tennis ball before we leave, okay? Over.
Okay.
Be on the lookout, all right? See if you see any. Check in the grass too. There might be some in the grass, all right?
I cannot see any.
Yeah, I don't see any too, but that's all right though. We're gonna keep looking, all right? Keep walking around. Make sure you hold it all the way in while you're talking and let go when you're done, okay? Over. You know what Daddy used to do? Back when Kano and Bell Bell were puppies, I used to bring them here inside this gate. We would close the gate and I would just let them run around all they wanted.
And then should we, yeah, like, there you go running to that fence.
Yeah, they just run around and play and didn't have to worry about them bothering anybody. They would come up here with me in this park when they were puppies. I don't see any tennis balls, do you?
I think we look in the grass.
Well, yeah, I guess we check out the grass.
Okay.
Okay, over.
I'm getting the ball.
Okay, sir, over. You going to ninja kick it? Good.
Love you.
I love you too, buddy.
Over here.
Okay. Can you ninja kick it to me from there?
Yeah.
Let's see what you got, big dog. Wow. Well, okay. I see you. You think Daddy will make it to you? All right, here we go. You gotta kick it hard to get it to me. That's okay, the net will stop it. Ready? Good stop, sir. Wow, good one. So he's got a sucker in one hand and a walkie-talkie in the other. I love you too, buddy. Daddy bounced that one. Whoa! Whoa! I stopped it. Yes, sir. My bad, bruh. I said yes, sir. Over. I love you too. Did you want to go try to look for some tennis balls and take a walk? How about we place the ball in a spot over there and then we come back for it? That works. Over. Let's go see what we can find, okay? What's that you say?
walkie-talkie.
Oh, you want me to tell you I love you on the walkie-talkie? On that thing? Whoa! He's in some water. Let me get the water off. Oh, I got an idea. Watch out. You ready? 3, 2, 1. Yeah. Good job. Huh? You done with it? We're gonna throw it away when we leave, okay? Before we leave. Daddy, take it to the trash.
I want to go on that thing.
A round spinny thing? Really? Nah, I don't know about that thing, bro.
Please.
All right, climb up in there.
Can my monster truck too?
Yes, sir. No, you probably need to hold on with your hands. Can you put your walkie-talkie in your pocket?
I can't.
Here, hold Daddy's hand. Now put it in your pocket.
I can't.
Okay. Let me know you're holding on. You holding on? You ready?
Yep. You push me more.
Yeah, I don't want to push you too fast. You're still going around pretty good. You ready?
Uh-huh.
You getting dizzy?
Can you stop it quick?
Yeah. Yeah, see? It make you too dizzy.
I'm going on like this.
Okay. Just a little bit though, okay? Not too fast.
Wee.
Whee! Love you, Bob.
Yeah.
Hey, remember when we went in the woods?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. It's too muddy now. Too bad there's no trails that we could go check out. What? You need help? Good job, man. What do you want to do now? You want to go for a walk? Can you grab your monster truck? That thing. Got something stuck in your teeth?
It wasn't my candy.
Yeah. Dad's going to go throw your sucker away. Can you be very careful?
Uh-huh.
All right, don't fall, please.
Okay.
All right. Trash can over here. I'm on the lookout for some tennis balls. So far today, we found a basketball. What? Yeah, you made it to the top.
Can I get on this thing?
Yeah, but wait till I get back, okay? I'll be right back. Less than a minute. I love you too, bud. We found a basketball today. Last time we found a tennis ball and a golf ball. What? Our basketball or the trash can? Yeah, I see it. All right, I got it. I'm coming. Yeah, if you think you can do it while being safe. I don't want you to fall. All right. He climbs like I do when I was a kid. I was many, many pounds ago. I could climb the monkey bars like nobody.
I don't know how to get up.
You don't know how to get up? It's hard up there. What are you gonna do? You trying to get in here or you trying to get back down?
I'm trying to get up here.
Oh, okay. Well, it looked like you're doing pretty good.
But I can't. I'm going to fall.
Okay, well then maybe you should get back down, okay?
No.
Yeah.
No.
All right, well, I don't know what you're gonna do. You silly goose. You silly Willie.
Then what should I do?
Here, put this foot. You trying to get in the middle or you want back down?
I want up here.
You want up there? Oh my
Yeah.
goodness. There you go. Put that leg here. Now bring this knee up to here.
This one?
Yeah, let me help you just a little bit. All right, there you go. And now you climb out here. Put that hand here. Now put this hand here. There you go.
No.
Now take this hand and put it right there. Now you should be doing a lot better than you was. Now where are you trying to go?
Down.
Down to where? Back down?
Yeah.
Okay, you made it. Good job, man. There you go.
I'm gonna come up here next time.
Okay, put that foot right there.
Okay.
Good job, man. Hey, I'm proud of you, man. You did very good. You did very, very good. You hear me?
Yeah.
Good job. Now make sure to watch where you put your feet, okay?
I don't need you looking at me.
You don't need me looking at you?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm sorry. You want to grab your monster truck and go see if we see any more tennis balls over there on that hill?
No.
Why not?
Because
What if we find a tennis ball?
which tennis ball?
Like a tennis ball. It's like a green ball that...
Can I spin it?
Sure.
Cover me?
I'm right here. Be careful. All right, now let go. Come on, let's go look for tennis balls. Let's take a walk. Good job. Grab that monster truck.
Let me spin it.
Oh, you gotta stop it.
I can't.
Oh my goodness. We're at 16 minutes, bro. I think I'm gonna have to make us a second video, maybe.
Let's go.
All right, come on.
I'm gonna kick the ball.
You want to kick the ball?
Yeah.
Well, let's keep our eyes peeled for some tennis balls. Let's check this hill.
Kick the other ball.
Oh, it's in there if you want to go get it.
Okay, do you want me to bring it?
Do you want to kick it inside there so we don't lose it?
Can you hold this?
Yes, sir.
Can you come with me?
Yep.
Get it?
Sure. Got it. All right, let's keep our eyes peeled to see if we see any tennis balls.
Ready for this?
Ready for what? Oh yeah, you gonna kick it? Ninja kick! Whoa! Whoa! Tried to zoom off. Coming. So far, I don't see any. Do you? You see any in the grass? Keep kicking our ball.
No, we better get out of the. We better get out of the park
Why?
because it's going to rain a lot.
You think?
Yeah.
There's one more spot that we might be able to check. It might be a little muddy. Where?
Can we bring this basketball at our house?
What do you say we just leave it here at the park since we found it, and maybe somebody who wants to come to the park who doesn't have a ball can play with it and enjoy it like we did.
I want to keep it.
You want to keep it? Well, I suppose there's nothing wrong with that. I said yes. Okay. I don't see any tennis balls, do you? Me neither. Man. Man.
I found a butterfly. I found a butterfly though.
Oh, you did?
Yeah, right here.
Let me see. Okay, I'm quiet. Where'd it go? Is it down there? Show me. Are you sure?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, let's keep looking.
We can't go in this one. And I'm going to go home.
You ready to go home?
Yeah.
Okay, it is raining pretty good.
Yeah, let's go. I found a butterfly.
Yeah,
Right there.
that's cool.
Be quiet.
Okay, I'll be very quiet. Shh. We're hunting rabbits. What? What? Where'd it go? I don't know where it went. Our walkie talkies are in my pocket. Okay. Oh man. Oh man, the ground's getting real mushy. Uh-oh, and the rain's picking up. Okay.
Come on,
All
come
right.
on, walkie-talkie.
Yeah, you sure can.
Okay.
Let me get it for you, sir. Here's your orange walkie-talkie.
Okay.
You keeping that basketball?
Yeah.
All right, let's go up this hill, and we'll be at our car, okay?
Okay.
All right, love you. Can you do me a favor? Yeah. Can you say thank you for watching?
Thank you for watching.
Say make sure to like and subscribe and see our crazy stuff.
Thank you.
Can you say it through the walkie-talkie?
Thank you, subscribe for the...
You doing pretty good. You got to press it in real hard and then say it. Oh, my bad, bro. Okay. All right, I'm ready. I'm ready. All right, say thank you for watching and make sure to like and subscribe. I didn't hear it. Did you guys hear it?
Subscribe.
Subscribe? I'll take it. All right, that's the first time he's done that for me.
I said subscribe.
Yeah, I heard you.
Now with my walkie-talkie on. There's a butterfly.
Another one?
Yeah.
Oh man, it's a big old hill.
Yeah.
All right, let's hope we make it to the top of this big old hill. You want me to carry that big old basketball?
No, I got it.
Oh, okay, man. All right. We're almost to the top.
I'm more big, bro.
Yeah, you are.
I'm big.
You got me. All right, you ready to go back home, I guess?
Yeah.
You see any base? You want to check the field for baseballs, or you ready to go home?
I want to kick this. In there.
No, that's too muddy. That's sandy and muddy. All right. Love you, bud.
Ready?
Good kick. Love you.